Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that is happening right here, right now. Yesterday's gone, tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 166, NASDAQ off 47, S&P's off 21, gold contract down $6.50, traded at $1,297 an ounce. Silver off 5 cents at $19.89 an ounce. Platinum down 21 at $1,428 an ounce. Copper up a penny and a half, trading at 303.95. Oil down 48 cents at 167 cents a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year up 6 ticks at 123.27. 30-year up 16 ticks at 133.15. King dollar down 236 ticks at 80.33. The euro up 38 at 137, and the yen down 20, trading at 109.09. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, Friday, cash S&P goes from 1897, gets down to 1863. Today we go to 1845.63. What that does, folks, is get you inside the 1850 level, which was the March 15th swing high, which puts the 1737 high volume low from the 5th. That's where the S&P wants to go right now. Now, that's the bottom line. We're going to walk through this. That's the short term. The larger term is this 1646. The October 2013 low, that's where this baby wants to run to. I'll show you how this is shaking out right now. So that's your S&P. We go to the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow. Same setup in the Dow. Dow basically came down off the highs. And what we have off these highs, by the way, folks, is we have a downdraft with high volume off the highs. Okay? That's setting up a big leg down. Dow right now is 16,245. Your swing point that was established on the 5th is 15,345. So I expect you're going to see that number get hit. What I also expect, though, you're going to see this number down at the 14,700 get hit. NASDAQ Composite. Now, the Composite's been the dead dog, no doubt. Fast, furious, all the above. The Composite got to a price point of 4052 today. That baby, the low, the swing low out there is 3968. That's your first one. Second one comes down to the October level, which is the 3650. If you want to go through, we'll go through the ETF structures so you can just see how dramatic the volume was coming off these highs. What you have is this. Friday, you come down on the SPY with 169 million shares. Did 137 million today. It's heading down. We're at 184.34. You're heading down as 173. That little baby, it's going to be hard to break that out the first time because that's 254 million down there. The Qs, we take a look at the NDX 100. What you have with the Qs, you talk about some volume. Man, oh, man. So the Qs, folks, you know, the Qs, first off, made a high with 24 million. You talk about no one being in the store buying the product. Well, bottom line, over and over and over again, that's how it works. I don't care whether you go back 10 years, 20 years, or 100 years. It's just always the same deal, which blows my mind. But guess what? That's what it is. So we get a high of 24 million shares. What do? Friday, everyone wants to be out the door at the same time. You do 131 million shares. You do 81 million today. The swing low from the 5th is 83.39. We've got to 84.95, and you're banging that swing low with volume. That swing low had 41 million shares. You're banging it today with 81 million shares. The Qs, the NDX 100, wants to go down to this October 9th swing point, which is 76. Now, we're going to see some bounces in between this. But this October swing low now is game in spades right across all the indices. We go to the small caps. Small caps also got toasted and roasted. Small caps had come down off this, the IWM has come down off the 120 area. We came down on Friday with 86 million shares. You did 63 million today. It's 91 million down at that February 5th level. Small caps also, you know, it's going to be interesting. We'll see how the small caps hit that level. Small caps are not screaming as loud to get into the October level at this point. It's the indices are there. Small caps just aren't screaming at this particular point. Gold contract. Let's take a look at gold. So what we have with gold is this. As the market gets trashed on Friday, gold bounces. But guess what? It's a dead cat bounce, folks. This little baby here, this is what we did. The contract is up $20 on Friday. We got higher with 145,000 contracts. Well, we were going into 171,000. What's game still is 12.55. Right now we're at 12.97. We take a look at the bond market. The bond market, folks, over and over and over again, it refuses lower price. We did a million contracts out here today. What we did on Friday is that we did 2 million contracts. This bond, the 10 years at 123.27 right now. It looks like it's a nice ABC structure on the way up. 128 is the number. The 30-year bond. What do we have with the 30-year bond? So the 30-year bond, she is at 133.15. This 30-year really wants to move. It's pretty amazing, actually. So she goes topside, wide price spread, accelerated volume again on Friday. Does 438,000 contracts. We're at 133.15 right now. This little baby has 141 written all over it. And what is that all about? What that's all about, folks, is markets going south, yields going down, bond prices going up. King Dollar. We take a look at King Dollar. We have with King Dollar. She went topside last Thursday, had the volume. She backs down today. If you want to see a back down, it's so sweet. It's unbelievable, actually. So we go topside on Thursday with 40,000 contracts. We back down today with 10. King Dollar's at 80.33. She's making her way up to this 81.65. 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Now, in the world of all these markets, folks, what we have is this. You had a high with zero volume. You come off the high with monster volume. I start talking about the October swing point as your next target after the February 5th swing point. If you take a look at the IBB, which is the ETF structure for the biotech index, what that did on Friday, took out the swing point, took it out with volume. The IBB was trading at 275 February 25th. We're at April 7th. You're at 226. Friday and today, you broke the swing, broke it with volume. Friday, we did 5.5 million. Today, we did 5.3 million. Your swing point had 3.6 or 3.8. Take your choice. What do you have? And this is where the correlation is going to come in, folks. The correlation is going to be October swing low and the biotechs are 191. The volume is 4 million shares. We're going to make our way down to that. That's going to be a 33% correction just in the biotechs. I suspect the biotechs are going to be the first ones that get there. High flyers, right? Let's go over to Amazon. We take a look at Amazon. This is what you have with Amazon. AMZN. Amazon, Friday, big volume. Amazon's down from 407. You're at 317. Oh, this is pretty cool. Okay, so Amazon has actually almost made it to the same level that we're talking about for the whole NASDAQ. That's the October 9th swing low. We hit 313 today, and Amazon, that's 303. So we bring this back a little bit. What you're going to see, okay, so now on a weekly, oh, this is big trouble. So Amazon, on a weekly, folks, this is what you have. When Amazon had broken topside October, the week of October 25th, you broke topside with 25 million. Guess what? You came back with 33 million last. There's a lot more destruction to be had in this marketplace, folks. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. We have the Dow Industrials finished down 166. NASDAQ off 47. S&P's off 21. We're going to be right back.